So have you ever wondered what the difference between paste and paste new is in Fusion and why you should use one over the other? Well, I'll clear that up in this video. So let's take a look. So a question I get asked quite often is what's the difference between paste and paste new? So I'm going to show in this video where you would use each of those. I'm going to start by creating a new component. I'll change this to part and I'll just call this demo part. And I'm going to keep it simple. I'm just going to draw a basic rectangle, let's just say 6 by 2. And we'll extrude that, let's just say 1 inch. So I have this demo part right now. And if I right mouse click and say copy, so to paste, I need to right mouse click at the top level and you'll see paste and paste new. So I'm going to click on paste and we can now see that there's 2 of them, but they're right on top of each other. So I'm just going to go ahead and move the arrow and say OK. And we now have demo part 1 and demo part 2. And we can see that the paste is kind of ghosted out because it's not the active component right now. Now, the key thing with paste is you can kind of think of it as an exact duplicate. So for example, if I were to come up here and add a fillet to this edge here, you'll notice that it also fillets the edge of the paste. Okay, so when you say copy and paste, anything you do to any of the copies or any of the pastes will happen on all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and chamfer this edge, and you can see how it chamfers that edge also. If I were to right mouse click and say paste, and let's just move this over, you'll notice that it looks just like the modified one. I'll say OK. We now have 3 of them. I'll activate the third one. Let's punch a hole through the middle. And sure enough, you can see that it modifies all 3 of them. So that is what happens when you use the paste command. Now, I'm going to activate this demo part. Right mouse click on it and say copy. I'll right click at the top level. And this time I'm going to say paste new. And it looks very similar, same dialogue and everything. I'll go ahead and move this one up above it. I'll say OK. Let's go ahead and activate this one. And paste new makes a copy of it, but it's an independent copy. So for example, if I were to chamfer the edge of this circle here, let me kind of zoom up so we can see that a little bit better. I'll go ahead and add a chamfer to that. You'll notice it does not modify the originals because we used paste new. That's the key difference. If I were to come in, let me go ahead and edit this original one here. Let's punch another hole. I'll capture that position. If I were to punch another hole in here along the bottom somewhere, you'll notice it modifies all of the pastes, but it did not modify the paste new, and the paste new modification did not roll down to the originals down here. Now, if I were to copy and paste this guy, so let me go ahead and say copy and just use paste, and we make a change. So let's go ahead and add a fillet to this edge. You'll see that it will modify those 2 because we used copy and paste. So that is the main difference between paste and paste new. If you do not want the object to change, use paste new. So you would say copy, you want a duplicate of it, and then you would say paste new, and you would get a duplicate of it. But if you make a change to either one, they do not roll back to each other. They're independent of each other. If you do want all of them to change, you would just use paste. I know this is a short video, but I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, and hopefully this clarifies the difference between paste and paste new. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you've hit like and subscribe. That way you'll be notified of upcoming videos. If you'd like to learn more about Fusion, make sure you visit my webpage at cadedllc.com. And as always, have fun learning Fusion.